welcome to our YouTube channel. So we want to make a vlog about Eid Mubarak.
For you guys' information, we are from Malaysia.
Sometimes we talk Malaysian, so you guys have to translate it. Let's start our vlog.
A few moments later.